Welcome back, dear students. Today you are going to study about a very interesting topic, patterns. Patterns will help enhance your logic and reasoning. The more you practice and try to figure out the patterns, you will explore your intelligence. Patterns are mostly formed by repeating designs or shapes. Very often, we see various patterns around us and they make things look beautiful. Patterns are formed when shapes, numbers, letters, designs, or objects are repeated in a certain manner. Now, let us see what are the points we have to remember to study patterns. First is a repeating pattern. Now here we need to find out the unit of repeat. Now unit of repeat means what is being repeated. For example, here we have a circle and then two triangles. A circle, two triangles, a circle, then two triangles and a circle. So we follow the pattern given here and we fill the blank. Next is rule by which the pattern progresses. Sometimes in a pattern, you will be able to find out by what rule the pattern is progressing. Like here, you see the pattern is progressing by adding 5. 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75. Next is it sometimes adds or subtract objects. Here you will see sometimes a letter is added to it and sometimes a letter is subtracted from it. Like A, B, C, then B, C, D. We are removing A and adding D. Then C, D, E. We are removing B and adding E. Similarly, D, E, F, G, H. Now let us see types of patterns. There are basically two types of patterns. One is growing pattern and another is reducing pattern. Now growing patterns means increasing patterns. 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 and so on. If you see the bars here, they are growing, they are continuously increasing. Then we have reducing patterns means decreasing patterns. 900, 800, 700, 600, 500. So these numbers are continuously decreasing by 100. If you see the set of fruits here, the first set had 3 fruits, second 2 and the last 1 fruit. So these are reducing patterns. Now let us practice a few set of patterns based on shapes first. We can see here, we first have a triangle, then we have a square, triangle, square, triangle. So we must have a square here. In the next, we find the orange arrow towards the left, the green arrow down, orange arrow right, green arrow up, orange arrow left, green arrow down, orange arrow right, green arrow will be up here. So you have to follow the pattern and then fill the blank. In this pattern, if you see, every time a line is increasing by 1 circle. It had 2 circles here in the first line, has 3 circles here in the first line. Here we have 4 circles in the first line. Here it had 1 circle in the second line. Here it had 2 circles in the second line. And here now it has 3 circles in the second line. Similarly, the rest of the lines are filled. Next we have patterns of numbers. Here you see each number is repeated twice. Along with it, 3 is added to each number. Like here 11, 1 plus 3 is 4, 4, 4. 4 plus 3 is 7, 7, 7. 7 plus 3 is 10, 10, 10. 10 plus 3 is 13, 13, 13. The next set is 3, 6, 12, 24 and so on. This shows multiplication of the numbers by 2. 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 12 2s are 24, 24 2s are 48, 48 2s are 96. In the next order of numbers, it is a reducing pattern. It is reducing by 20 each time. 640, 620, 600, 580, 560, 540. The next set of pattern that we have here is actually addition of 7 to each number. But if you see it the other way, you will find the table of 7 here. 7 4s are 28, 7 5s are 35, 7 6s are 42, 7 7s are 49, 7 8s are 56, 7 9s are 63. Now we have the set of letters here. Here you see the first letter is written in capital, the second in small. C capital, D small, E capital, F small, G capital, H small, I capital, J small. Here the letters are just repeated. A, B, A, B, A, B, A. Now in the last set of pattern here, the letter written first is once, the letter next to it is written twice, the letter next to it is written thrice. And then we move on to the next alphabet. So J, K, K, L, 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 M, N twice, O thrice, P, Q twice, R thrice. I hope this is clear, children. This is how you are going to proceed with patterns. Now let us revise. Patterns. We had the set of patterns of shapes, numbers, letters, designs and objects. Now patterns are basically of two types. One is growing pattern or increasing pattern. Another is reducing pattern or decreasing pattern. Now both these types of patterns can be done in two ways. One is repeated in a certain manner. Next is based on a rule. I hope, dear students, now you have a clear idea on how to do sums on patterns. The more you practice with it, your logical ability will enhance and it will be fun for you to solve patterns. Do follow my videos and do your regular assignments. Stay safe. God bless you.